everybody, I've got a good story for you. It's called The Big Sneeze. One hot afternoon, the farmer and his animals were dozing in the barn. The only sound was the bzzz of a lazy fly. Suddenly, the buzzing stopped. The fly had landed right on the end of the farmer's nose. Achoo! The farmer sneezed so hard that the fly was blown high up into the spider web. This disturbed the spider, who captured the fly, which alerted the sparrow, who chased the spider. This wakened the cat, who leapt at the bird, which woke the dog and frightened the rats, who fled from the barn, chased by the dog, which scattered and startled the hens from their roost. That panicked the terrified donkey. "What on earth have you done?" shrieked the farmer's wife. "Nothing, my dear," said the farmer. "I only sneezed." Bye.